Hello everyone, today I'm going to draw a beaver and these are the materials that I will be using. We're going to start with the head and we're going to draw one line across just like that. Then we're going to bring the line down over and around and then back up again. Okay, so now we are going to draw the ears. So they have small ears, one on each side. Okay, and now the body, sort of like a nice little round shaped circle. Okay, we're going to draw the two eyes, and then you can just shade in the pupils. Okay, and the little nose. Okay, we're going to draw one line down, sort of like a little arch, and then the nice long teeth. All right, so now we're gonna add the eyebrows, just like that. Okay, and then the hands, we're just gonna draw the arms. They do have long fingertips, so we're gonna draw about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the arm again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now let's draw the feet. Okay, and their feet are webbed feet as well. 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little toes. Okay. So now the best feature of the beaver is the tail. So you're going to draw a nice big round arch just like that and bring it down. Okay. All right, my friends. So let's color our beaver. And while I do that, I'm going to share some interesting facts. Okay. So I'm using a brown and I'm just going to go around it. Okay, so beavers are rodents. So rodents are mammals. They have fur and are warm-blooded. They have very long front teeth for chewing wood. Okay, and actually it continues to grow their teeth. Okay. So I'm going to just color around it because in the middle, I'm going to use a lighter shade of brown. So I'm going to use just a lighter color in the inside. And I'm going to just shade it in. Okay, now I also want to add little patterns on the tail, just like that. Okay, and little whiskers, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay, all right, so let's continue to color and I'm going to share some more facts about beavers. Okay, so they're strong swimmers. They can stay underwater for up to 15 minutes. They have a wide, scaly tail. So they slap the tail to warn others of dangers, okay? They also use it to help them to swim. It's like a paddle-like tail for swimming and protection as well. So beavers are herbivores. They eat the wood of trees, okay? They live in ponds where they build dams. And they have valves in the ears and nose that close whenever they're underwater. Okay, so I'm just going to blend in some more colors for the stomach area. I'm going to use a pale pink and even around the face. I'm just going to go over it with more brown just around here. And the arms and fingers and the webbed feet. And I'm going to use a little bit of pale yellow as well. So they have 5-fingered hands for grasping and holding. They build dams, lodges, burrows, and canals. They weigh about 40 to 60 pounds. And the thick waterproof fur keeps them warm and dry. And also the webbed black feet helps them to swim as well. Going over it with a pale yellow. And I'm just going to color the ear and the other one. And I'm just going to go over with a little bit of a dark shade, sort of like an auburn color. I'm going to go around it. And the tail as well. Okay, so you could also turn the beaver into a nice cute little puppet if you want to cut it out. And reenact some of the fun children's stories about beavers. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.